Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you fix can't mirror window screen on Roku TV. If you're having trouble screen mirroring your window screen to Roku TV, this should likely stems from a network connectivity or Roku settings or software glitch as well. The first thing you want to make sure to do is verify that a window PC and a Roku TV are connected to a same Wi-Fi network. In the Windows, you could ensure that the Wi-Fi network is set to private. For that, you actually want to go to settings. So you could go ahead and click on the bottom of the screen, go to the gear icon. And next, you simply want to go ahead and click on network and internet from the left hand side bar. Then here you want to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. And what next you want to do is select a network that you're connected to. And make sure that you've enabled private network. Considering both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, some devices may require the same band for proper communication as well. Once you've actually done it, so you could go ahead and restart and see that fixes your issue or not. Likewise, if you still face issue, then you could go with the Roku TV. So for that, you simply want to go to settings, go to system, and then you simply want to click on screen mirroring and go to screen mirroring mode and ensure it's set to prompt or always on. This way you should be able to fix, or it might be an issue with the Windows as well. So here you could go to the control panel in your Windows and look for the screen mirror options. If you're unable to find it, so you could go into the settings and look for it, or you could also type in the prompt, and that way you should be able to fix. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, you could also check the compatibility. Some of the Roku devices are not compatible with screen mirror option as well, or your Windows might be outdated, so you could try updating it and see that fixes your issue or not. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.